Hey guys, Philip here. Today is gonna be heavy snow, like a snowstorm today. I like this one. It's gonna be 4 to 8 inches of snow. So my dad's gonna avoid traveling or going somewhere else. When it's gonna be 8 inches of snow, my dad's luck will ran out. Woo! So snowy. I'm excited for this. See you.